Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Digital Connection. In this video, we'll be discussing how to wire up a three-way switch. Three-way switches are commonly used to control a light fixture from two different locations. This could be the top and bottom of a staircase or at opposite ends of a hallway. Wiring up a three-way switch may seem intimidating, but it's actually a straightforward process that can be accomplished with a little bit of know-how. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather materials. Before we begin wiring up our three-way switch, we'll need to gather a few materials. For this project, we'll need two three-way switches, some electrical wire, wire strippers, wire nuts, a voltage tester, and a screwdriver. It's important to make sure that all of our materials are in good working order and are appropriate for the job at hand. Step 2. Turn off the power. Before we start wiring, we need to make sure that the power to the circuit is turned off. This can be accomplished by turning off the circuit breaker that controls the light fixture we'll be working on. We can double check that the power is off by using a voltage tester to test the wires. Step 3. Identify the wiring. Next, we'll need to identify the wiring in our circuit. To wire up a three-way switch, we are supposed to have a 3-conductor wire between two switch boxes. These 3 conductors could be in black, red and white colors. After that, we could have two different scenarios. In scenario 1, we might have the feed wire which can be in black and white color and also the light wire in the same box. In scenario 2, we will have the feed wire in one box and the light wire in the other box. Now let's see how to connect the wires in every different scenario. Step 4a. Wire connection in first scenario. In first scenario, we are going to connect the wires as follows. Connect the two wires between two switches, which in this case could be red and white, to gold screws of three-way switches. Then, connect the neutral wire of feed and the neutral wire of light together, which both could be in white color, with a wire nut. After that, connect the hot wire of light that could be in black wire to the black screw of the three-way switch in the first box. Now, send the hot wire of feed to the second switch box with your third wire between two switch boxes. At the end, simply connect that wire to the black screw of the second switch. Step 4b. Wire connection in second scenario. Now in second scenario, wire connection will be as follows. At first, like the previous scenario, connect two wires between two switches which could be in black and red color to gold screws. Then we are going to connect the neutral wire of feed to the neutral wire of light. In this case, the neutral wires are in separate boxes. So we will use the third wire between two switch boxes to send the feed neutral to the other box. Now we have the neutral of feed and the neutral of light in the same box, so we will connect those wires together with a wire nut. At the end, we simply connect hot wire of feed and hot wire of light to the black screws of the two three-way switches. Step 5. Test the wiring. Now that we've wired everything up, it's time to test the circuit. We'll turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test the switches to make sure they're working properly. We should be able to turn the light fixture on and off from both switches. Conclusion. And that's it. Wiring up a three-way switch may seem daunting, but it will be an easy task with a little bit of knowledge and some careful attention to details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.